Imagine this. You spend 4 years earning a degree, another 10 years climbing the corporate ladder. You finally reach the job you've dreamed about. Then, one morning, an email arrives. Due to organizational restructuring, your position no longer exists. Not because you failed, not because you weren't talented, but because the world changed faster than your career did. Here's a difficult truth. The traditional career path that worked for your parents is disappearing. Not overnight, but quietly, relentlessly. And most people won't realize it. Until it's too late, stay with me until the end, because I'll show you the one mindset that will keep you valuable, even in a world where jobs disappear faster than ever. It could become the most important career lesson of your life. The old rules are breaking for decades. Life followed a simple formula. Study hard, get good grades, find a stable job, work for one company, retire comfortably. It was a clear roadmap. But today's world doesn't reward stability the same way. Technology evolves every year. Artificial intelligence learns new skills every month. Entire industries transform in just a few years. The question is no longer, can you do your job? It's, can you keep learning faster than the world keeps changing? Because the people who stop learning eventually stop growing. The psychology of false security. Our brains love certainty. We naturally seek routines that feel predictable. A steady paycheck, a familiar office, a fixed schedule. Those things make us feel safe. But psychology teaches us something surprising. What feels safest in the short term can become the biggest risk in the long term. Many people confuse familiarity with security. They're not the same. Real security isn't having one employer. It's becoming someone whose skills are valuable anywhere. The safest career isn't the one that's hardest to lose. It's the one you can rebuild whenever life changes. The rise of the creator and entrepreneur mindset. The people thriving today often think differently. Instead of relying on one paycheck, they build multiple sources of value. A business, a personal brand, a digital skill, investments, freelancing, consulting, teaching, creating. Notice something? They're not just working for income. They're building assets. The entrepreneur's greatest advantage isn't owning a company. It's learning how to create value independently. Because when you know how to solve problems, you'll always have opportunities, even if your job disappears. Your greatest asset isn't your resume. Many people spend years building an impressive resume, but the future belongs to people building something even more powerful, their adaptability. Think about it. Software changes, industries evolve, companies come and go, but curiosity, resilience, communication, critical thinking, leadership, and the ability to learn quickly remain valuable in almost every generation. Your degree may open the first door, but your mindset determines how many doors stay open. Your greatest career insurance isn't a title, it's your ability to become valuable again and again. The identity shift that changes everything. Here's the mindset shift that transformed the lives of many successful entrepreneurs. Stop identifying yourself by your job. Don't say, I'm an accountant. Say, I'm someone who solves financial problems. Don't say, I'm a graphic designer. Say, I'm someone who helps businesses communicate visually. Do you see the difference? Jobs can disappear, skills evolve, but the ability to solve meaningful problems always has value. When your identity is tied to one position, losing that position feels like losing yourself. When your identity is tied to creating value, every ending becomes the beginning of a new opportunity. The future belongs to learners. The people who succeed over the next 20 years won't necessarily be the smartest, or the richest, or the most connected. They'll be the ones who never stop learning, because every new skill expands your opportunities, Every book changes your thinking. Every challenge strengthens your adaptability. Every failure teaches something no classroom can. The future won't reward those who know everything. It will reward those willing to learn anything. The death of traditional careers doesn't mean opportunity is dying. It means opportunity is changing. This isn't the end of meaningful work. It's the beginning of a world where your creativity, your adaptability, and your willingness to grow matter more than ever before. The question isn't whether the world will change. It will. The question is, will you change with it? Because in the future, the people who survive won't simply have the best jobs. They'll become the people who can create opportunities wherever they go. Before you leave, I want you to answer one question in the comments. If your current job disappeared tomorrow, what's the one skill you'd bet your future on? Write the first honest answer that comes to mind. Research in psychology suggests that when people publicly articulate a commitment, they're more likely to follow through with actions that align with it. Your comment isn't just a response, it's the first step in defining your future. If this video challenged the way you think about careers, press the like button as a small commitment to becoming someone who keeps learning, no matter how fast the world changes. And if you're ready to build a mindset that thrives in the future, not just survives it, subscribe for more videos on psychology, entrepreneurship, self-improvement, wealth creation, and the habits of extraordinary people. Remember this: your career is what you do. Your skills are what you build, but your identity is what determines how far you'll go. The future doesn't belong to people waiting for opportunity. It belongs to people who become impossible to replace.